There's new wildlife at HovattersWildlifeZoo, and we're on our way to go see. We've come to HovattersZoo. There's the restrooms down that way. Go see the koi pond. What's in the koi pond? Koi fish. I see some. Do you see them?
I see like a bunch.
Yeah.
And one looks like he's just moving.
Look like oversized goldfish. I found a duck. A duck in a pond. It's on its side. So this one says they have chimpanzees in here. Do you see any chimpanzees?
I think it might be in that hammock sleeping.
What is pretzel? Is it a chimpanzee or a monkey?
I'm pretty sure it's a...
It's HovattersZoo pickup. You enter through the gift shop when you go to pay. A lot of new animals this year too.
2 adults and 1 child. Yeah, give us 1 more.
And we're out into the zoo park. Look at all the pretty parakeets. The gold macaw. Blue and gold. And this is the building we just came out of. That we entered the zoo, and that's when you leave, that's where you go. There. New this year are the flamingos. They're fun facts about the flamingos. Look at them, aren't they cool? Look how they're drinking. They have tall, long legs. Birds aren't happy. Birds are not happy, but maybe they're happy because maybe food's coming. Feeding time. They make sense. Get a drink of the water. Look how deep their head goes. It's up to their eyes. You're Logan Hovatter and you work here at the zoo, right? And what do you do at the zoo?
I'm the head zookeeper. That's right.
The ones with the black on the feathers are young ones? Can you tell the difference between male and female?
Not without DNA sex.
Okay. They don't make a different noise or they don't do anything different, look any different?
Nope.
Feed the Nubian goat, the dairy goat, skinny by nature. Being ready to feed a goat? All right, Pappy's gonna get the food. I like their eyes, they look like marbles.
Goat man.
Which one? Aw.
You have to put it in your hand like this. See if you
Pappy's gonna feed it. Let me have some too.
want to do it again? Give me some more than that. The other one, he's hungry. You get it this time, boy.
This guy wants some. You want some?
Just put it in your palm. He won't bite you. You're close. All you do is you'll feel his tongue and put your hand like a cup. Well, no, you didn't get some.
Whole gang's coming. Oh, that's so tiny. Look at you.
Come here.
There's 2 little ones.
Get close to him. He won't hurt you.
Look at the little one over there. He's teeny tiny. That's adorable. They can have carrots, granola bar, grass feed, zoo biscuits, and popcorn. Here, big. There's another little one. It's like golden. Look at you. Now you're all alone, but there's no food right here. It's all kind of little babies. There's the little baby pig. There's a giraffe waiting on a carrot.
Here.
We've had rain today.
Up there and hold it.
Hi, how are you?
It's fun to just leave them helicopters flying around it.
It's got a long tongue.
A little baby, did you see it up there?
See, we have a new baby. A giraffe. There's the baby.
Trying to feed
The others have gone inside. It's raining. The baby's still outside. I see the monkeys over in a cage. Here's the little baby pig. It's the house, and everybody's inside because it's raining. Most of them are inside, not all of them. You see them in there, keeping dry? He's halfway in between. I think I found the mama. The little baby's coming to get something to eat.
Hey, baby pig, come over here. Go back. I'm trying to feed this baby pig that didn't get any food. He's probably starving.
There, he's gonna feed the baby pigs. He got him. And
It's
you're,
right there. Guys, it's right there.
they're under the shed, but they're eating. And these are the llamas? Is that what are these things? These are llamas. Hi, Mama. The llamas. It's cleaning itself. It's like a big kitty cat.
Where's the black leopard?
They've got their food, but everybody looks too tired to eat. Laying down, taking a nap. A lot of these deer-like things are out. Under the tree to stay dry. He's got some big antlers. This guy's got some big antlers too.
Want any of this to feed him? That's it.
He's talking to the other group.
It
They're
sounds
beautiful.
like they're saying no.
They're fallow deer. You're a pretty one. Yes, very pretty. See the one on top of the hay? They have their spots. I heard noise and I found rubbing its antlers. Making a lot of noise down there. A sleeping African lion. And what are these in here, Van?
Otters.
Otters.
Asian small-clawed otter.
Thank you. I think they just got in the water. There they did. They're coming to see us. Running around playing. That's cute. Picture time. Pappy, Pretzel, and Van. Big turtle. This is a jack deer. Because it's raining, some of the animals are inside. Camels below. Yep, these are wallabies.
I'm pretty sure it's,
Is that what the sign said, wallabies?
then it's wallaby. What did you see, John?
Popcorn, but it didn't get there.
These are elk.
No, no.
Stood up. Is it gonna come this way? This looks like bamboo. See it?
I'm not very good.
Look at the baby. It's tiny.
Find out.
A porcupine came out. It's white. What are you going to feed the porcupine? All right. He's got like white face.
Going in.
Yep, there it goes. They're all starting to come out now, or some of them. The rain's just a drizzle right now. Porcupine's liking the popcorn.
bud. There you go. See?
Did you get another carrot?
Just broke it in half.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I'll...
Back to the monkeys. There's 3 sitting in a row. Where can you see them? The mama's holding the baby. One's getting groomed. See the jungle? There's a bear in there. There's the bear. He's sleeping on this rainy, dreary day. This is the ostrich. They can have carrots, granola bar, grass feed, zoo biscuits, and popcorn. Is he gonna get something to eat? He'll peck you, but you can be careful. Come down and he'll give you something to eat. There it is. Whoops. He says, do you have any more? It's like a sock puppet. It's stretched pretty tall. Food. There's your food. You're up to the camels. Hi, camel. He's looking for food. Yes, he is. The ostrich gave up and is going to the house. I'm sure that's where everybody else is at. Food. Food's coming. Whoops. Van's trying. Van's missing. The tubes are a little moist from the rain and the popcorn has a hard time going down. Popcorn's getting stuck, buddy. Sorry. It's a rainy day. That's the camel. Another one coming out. There's a bunch inside staying dry, and I don't blame them. Smart. Hard to see, but there's a bunch of them in there too. You hear the noise? Mm-hmm. I think the lion woke up.
At least
look at the pretty blue eyes on this one. He says, I would like some food, please. They're begging. The eyes are begging.
too. Only one popcorn made it out.
Oh, it's so wet that it's not going down. We don't want to feed or tease the chimps. No, we don't. There they are. They're hanging out. There's another one. There he goes. There it goes. That was the camel exhibit. On we go. Coming up to the bears. Quite the exhibit. Look at the bears. Lazy day at the zoo.
Kodiak bear.
It's dinner time.
Sleep during the day.
The one's looking at us.
Patagonia.
Okay. So, what exhibit is this?
Mountain lion. So I was right about the mountain lion thing.
Do you find them? Do you see them? They hiding from the rain too?
Probably. Let me take a little look around.
Empty. Yeah, Van said they're probably in their houses. They don't want to get wet either. What are you eating? It's good, whatever it is. Came over to where we're at. A couple of them are out. Now that's a set of horns. And a tongue. Must have just ate something. Says to watch. They will peck. Yeah, that's not an emu. It won't peck. Hi, you gonna look up at us? There's a bunch of them in the woods.
Yep.
There's guinea birds down here with this big horn guy. We decided to put the umbrella up. The rain's picking up, but we came prepared this time. Gator Alley. Now we need to locate the gator. They have a home they can go into too. I wonder if they're in their home. Found a boat and Van spotted the alligator over there. Do you see it? Now can you see it? There's the gator. Ooh, there's another alligator right there. I spotted its eyes. It's just got its head sticking out. They're very still. And we found this thing down by the alligators.
Ellen.
And this is one of the largest antelopes in the world.
Where's two?
Oh, did it go? Another view of these down by the gator pen. We found some more goats. Goats are down below. I like their eyes. You have pretty eyes.
They have alone at last.
We have a timber wolf right there. There he goes. He's running the pen. Pretty. You got some carrots. Dinner time?
For carrots.
Wow.
White-handed gibbon.
It's gonna go up and sit and eat the carrots.
The white-handed gibbon has...
Enjoying dinner.
Oh, I wonder if that...
Not bad.
What?
What kind of monkey, Van?
Pretty sure it's pronounced zebras.
Them jumping around. Playing.
One over in this corner too.
Carrie, here's your brothers. They're your brothers.
Show him your monkey. Wait a minute. There's his monkey.
With a little collar. Hey, you don't have to eat. Oh, are you a baby? Look at him.
Something's coming.
Pile.
Okay.
And there's so much grass feed.
Circled back around so we can go do the bird exhibit. They're staying dry under the playpen play area. And some food. And they're waiting patiently.
Now they'll take it. Feed it.
Whoa. Bless you, dog. Bless you. Just trying to feed the little pigs.
There you go.
Been dry. We have umbrellas. Little big pig.
Starving. You're probably.
Picture time. Eating and staying dry. They're watching us because we have a white bag. They're like, come back. We're going into the Parakeet encounter. This is always fun. Can you hear them? Getting ready to go in. They're waiting on us.
They know you got fish.
Just don't step on anybody.
I just don't like that.
Hold them out like this.
Look at here, Birdie. See, Birdie?
Yeah. They're just hungry. Want me to take the stick?
There's no one else in here, so they like us. They're all over us. I don't have a stick, guys.
They told your family to walk that way. You get away from them.
The tigers, they're hiding out too because it's raining. We're gonna go back and feed the rest of the food we have in the bags. Little pig says, feed me. That goat looks like a mama too. Sneeze, cough. That's a little one.
Yep.
Let's look at the flamingos before we go into the gift shop. See the darker pink? There's 9 of them. These guys live for a long time and they're older ones. Goodbye, birdies.
Bye.
Out we go. This was something new where you could mine, but it's closed for the season. That's new.
I know.
You get the flamingos. You see the different animals you saw in the zoo? Look them all over, and then you can make your mind up. You see ostriches, camels, zebras, flamingos, and different monkeys. Decisions. Okay, now you've got to narrow it down to 3. Zoo Wars, HovattersWildlifeZoo. His choice is between the otter
The ostrich.
or the snake over there. He has made his decision. It's the otter. So Pappy says get a t-shirt. Which color?
Blue Vader.
He is picking Darth Gator. The real eggs.
Oh, we just throw the hole in them and empty the yolk out of them.
Oh, that's neat.
Like the egg out of it.
That's pretty neat.
I guess.
So what is your job here?
I just work in the shop. I'm the manager of the shop. One of the managers.
Of the gift shop, right? Yeah. All done with our adventure at HovattersWildlifeZoo. Snakes. Pretty quiet day because it's raining. Lots of people didn't make it today. 4:35, and I think we have almost the last ones. Maybe not totally. This has been a Joe Garbart Studio video. Make sure to subscribe because there's more to come.